Hello everyone. This video is to demonstrate about the plugin called Sync Invoice in Zoho Books from Zoho CRM. So as soon as you install this plugin, you'll get this kind of a screen and you can just click on continue button. You'll get an options to select for users and profiles. So you can select from install from admins only, install for users or choose profile and click on confirm button. You'll have in subscription type, so you can select accordingly like monthly and annually, and you will get a 10 days free trial period for this plugin. Now you have to click on preparing to install button. Now you can see that the installation has been done and you will be able to view the extension details. Now you have to authorize your account. So you have to click on the authorize button so that it gets connected with the Zoho Books. You have to click on accept button here. And then you have to click on finish button so that the authorization has been done successfully and all the extensions that have been used in Books get installed. There is a one-time setup that you have to do while using this plugin. So as soon as the installation process is done, an invoice sync auth name module will get created in Zoho CRM. Now you have to click on create an invoice sync auth button. Here you need to enter the name and add the organization ID. You can get this ID from your profile. Now you can click on the save button and go in the invoice module. You can go into particular invoice and then from here, you can click on the option as sync invoice in Zoho Books. So when you click on this button, this particular invoice will get synced in the Zoho Books and then unique book invoice ID gets created. This book ID will get created in the CRM and you will see that the invoice has also been created and is associated with the same invoice ID. Now, in order to proceed with this plugin, you have to note one thing that in Zoho Books, we have to check one setting. So in Zoho Books settings, you have to go in integration and marketplace. And in that, you have to go in Zoho apps. In Zoho apps, you have in Zoho CRM module that should be active. And in show details, you have to check that the products module has been active. You have to check that the accounts and the products, these both modules should be active. Thank you so much. Happy invoicing.